Hey everyone, today we are making shortbread, but not just any shortbread. We're making any nut shortbread. So basically you could use any nut to make it. Pistachio, hazelnut, almond, pecan, walnut, peanut, any kind of nut really. You get the idea? It's really good. So we're going to start by blending the flour and the nuts. And this is going to extract the oil from the nuts to coat the flour to prevent any gluten development, which is going to keep this biscuit really tender. The flour with the nuts, baking powder, and salt. We'll just blend this. You can use a food processor, a blender. I'm using a NutriBullet today. So we want to blend this until it clumps. That shows you that the oils come out and it's coating the flour. So nice and clumpy. And then in a bowl, add icing sugar, the milk, and the oil. And then just use the whisk. And this is gradually going to combine into a paste. You'll see it looks like frosting. We just want this to be a beautiful glossy mixture before we add our nut mixture. And then use a spatula or your hands. I might end up using my hands because you really want to rub this mixture together until it forms a dough. So you see it's kind of just pushing with the back of the spatula, scraping the bowl. Right. You'll see that it's now quite a short and crumbly dough. Then I'm going to take a sheet of parchment paper. So we've got our trusty rolling pin, and I'm just gently pressing that dough. And we're going to gently roll it out to about a centimetre thick. We don't want it too thin. And you see this crumbling. You can just push it back together. Then you'll see we've got our tray lined with paper, and I'm using a teardrop cutter because I'm doing almonds. Cutting nice, thick biscuits. So I've got my almonds, and I'm just going to press some almonds for extra crunch into the top. And then we go into the oven at 160 degrees. Biscuits are out of the oven. I'm going to dust them with some icing sugar. Before that, I'm just going to brush the almonds with a tiny bit of water, and that is going to dissolve the icing sugar. So that is an example That'd be delicious. Mmm.